Hey guys, long time no see. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through this kind of smoky eye-ish look, which uses some browns, a black and an olive color, requested by my sister Karen. So if you want to see how to make it, just keep watching. So I haven't done any of this in a while because I've been busy. Jokes, Melbourne's very much still in isolation. I've just been lazy. But my sister slid into my DMs and told me to get my ass into gear in a nicer way. So here I am. She wants me to do a green smoky eye. I don't really have a lot of green, but I'll see what I have and give it a shot. Green also isn't going to match this blue jumper, so thanks, Karen. But whatever, I'm just spending the night at home because I'm still in ISO. I have a story about this jumper, which is very 2020. It's not exciting, but I'm still very upset about it, so I'm gonna rant to you guys while I do my shadow. Oh yeah, actually, going into the crease with Journey from this Tarte palette, Clay Play. Yeah, I love this jumper and I have it in 4 colors because I love it so much. When I find something I love, I just buy it and everything. I had a black one, a watermelon one, a baby blue one, and a white one. But that's not any of those colors, I hear you say. Yeah, well, no. I never bought it in this royal blue color, did I? But because washing is not my friend, even though I separate all my colors, I still had a dark blue color run into my baby blue jumper. So now, yesterday, I bought the dye at the beginning of the year, but because I've been lazy, I just let it sit there for ages. And had my baby blue with all the shitty dark blue marks all over it just hang up on something in my room for months. But yesterday after work, it was too early to eat, and I'd finished work, so I thought I'd do something productive and finally dye this jumper. What the hell am I doing? I think I might go in with, I don't know, Starins or something into the crease again just to give it a bit more. That's not the right brush. Just give it a bit more something something. What was I saying? Yeah, so I finally was like, yeah, I'll dye it. Made the dye bath up, got all ready, grabbed my jumper, which I just saw like scrunched up and lying in the corner somewhere in my bedroom. And as I dipped it into the dye bath, I had this sick feeling in my stomach, ran into my bedroom and found my baby blue shitty marked jumper still hanging where I'd left it. So yes, I had to dye, didn't have to, accidentally dyed my white one and on purpose dyed my baby blue jumper. So yeah, cool story, Stacey, but I now have 2 of these blue jumpers and I don't have a white one anymore, and I'm super sad about it because so many outfits I just can't wear anymore. Anyway, total first world problems, but I'm sad. I'm going to like dip this flat brush in some water because the green I have is metallic, and metallics I just find easier to apply wet. I'm gonna just take this across my whole eyelid. It doesn't look very green, but it is, and I don't have a lot of other greens. So, sauce Kaz, this is as good as you're getting. I have another Tarte palette on the way. It's like some rainbow palette. It doesn't look metallic. It just looks really bright. Like there's a bright red, orange, yellow, blue, green, maybe pink and purple. I'm not sure. So maybe I can do another green look when that comes. So yeah, instead of getting the emerald green that you were after, you're getting more of a khaki, but hey, it still looks nice. Oh, this is from this like pineapple palette, which has a name, just can't find it anywhere. Yeah. I'm going to take that underneath as well, because Karen did say she wanted a smoky eye, and if you want a cheats way to make anything a smoky eye, like the secret really is just a under eye line it with whatever colors you're using. Look, now it's smoky. And I'm going to blend in that clay play when again I'm gonna use a darker brown just in the corner of my like the outer eye corner bits, just make it a little bit more dramatic. My housemate was watching the basketball in the lounge room. I can't hear it anymore though, so he can probably hear me talking from his bedroom now, and I'm gonna sound like a crazy person. Oh, I'm pretty sure he already thinks I'm crazy anyway. I think I want something a bit darker. I'll just take this up a little bit. Maybe I should have used black. Alright, I'm gonna use like a tiny bit of black. You can use whatever brush. I'm just gonna use a tiny one because I only want a tiny bit on, and I have a tendency to apply too much, so it's harder to apply too much when you use a smaller brush. Oh yeah, liking that a bit better. Okay, so I probably would still, if I could turn back time, I'd still use the dark brown, but just the black as well. Blending brush for that again. Where did that little one go? Where did the little sucker go? Ah. Think we're good. Don't really know what I'm trying to achieve. Oh, did I want to take it under? Maybe we'll give it a go. Just a very finely, and I won't go the whole way across. how ridiculous a makeup face is. Look at this. And I'm gonna put this face on the internet. Lord help me. Single guys. I have a whole bunch of fallout fun times. This is why I usually do my eyes and then my base, because you can wash any fallout off or wipe it off with a makeup wipe and then do your foundation and everything looks all clean and tidy and cute. I'm going to do eyeliner on the top. Oh, I hate doing this on camera because I always stuff it up, but hey, live. And I obviously pull amazing faces. so it's not really exciting for you, but I can't talk and do eyeliner because it's too hard. I just kind of press it on there. Um, I used to find doing eyeliner a lot easier, but then my eyes got older and paper ishy and everything's really hard now. Oh, that's a terrible plan. So if you try and recreate this look, Karen or anyone, be a better blender. Oh yeah, my sister's actual name is Karen, so when I say Karen, I'm not talking about people that want to speak to the manager. It's really going to be impossible to do when I've got wet eyeliner and hey. Can also tight line with a black pencil liner. I'm probably not going to do that though. I hate my forehead wrinkles. In my mirror, my makeup looks completely normal. In my phone, it looks so patchy. Like, up here looks bad. Just looks like I went to town with the bronzer. Which I did. I'll blend it out, babes. So I'm gonna get my, actually yeah, this will do it. I have some like loose foundation powder. I might just go over my face with that to get rid of some harsh lines. Oh, so much better. Oh, gosh, I have a forehead that would make Tyra Banks proud. What have I got on myself? Mascara. Awesome. Cool. I swear to God, I was prepared and found a lip color, which I'm never prepared for, but I did this time. But of course now I can't find it. Oh, did you just get an amazing vision of my regrowth with my new greys? Lucky you. Alright, so this is the Tarte, their like sister brand Sugar Rush. It's one of their I think it's like this these types of, I think Tarte would call them, or whatever, you can see what it is, double duty beauty, but the Sugar Rush one, like they call it couple goals. The color is guac and chips. It's just like a beigey, pinky beigey sort of color. Way too much on them. And on the other side, it's again just like a beigey sort of color, but it's got glitter. Just a little bit. Just enough to give you a little sparkle. Anyway, it's the best I'm gonna do tonight. I will fix this up. I hope. I'll probably forget when I walk out of here, but whatever. Cool. So hit one of the subscribe buttons. I don't know where it is. Let me know if you have any other colors you want me to do, and I'll wing it with you next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.